How to fix iCloud sign out is not available due to restrictions. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Tap Screen Time. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Turn off app and website activity to disable all your screen time related restrictions. You will need to enter passcode that you originally set up. Step 4. Tap Turn off app and website activity to confirm. Step 5. Consider signing out of iCloud at this point. If that's not possible, go back to the screen time settings and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Step 6. Tap Account Changes. Enter your screen time passcode. Step 7. Select Allow. Step 8. Head back to your screen time settings and select Change Screen Time Passcode. Step 9. Choose Disable Screen Time Passcode, then input your passcode. In case you forget it, select Forgot Passcode and utilize your Apple ID and password to remove the passcode. Next, go back to your settings. You should now be able to sign out of your iCloud account. It may take a few minutes for your iPhone to recognize the lifted restrictions.